this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraptember, and there is the sketch. The sketch is from the Hip Kit Club, and I happened to take this sketch and do some inspiration on it, but changed it up a little, I guess maybe a lot. I followed it for the most part, but I did change it up. I went and grabbed this movie, like this movie theater type thing, and put all my pictures. So as you can tell, I am doing 8 photos plus this big one down this strip, photo strip, however you want to look at it. I'm not for sure where I pulled this photo strip from. It is a cut file, but I couldn't tell you where it was from because it's out of my stash of cut files, and I should probably start to put stuff in folders so I know where I'm getting my cut files from, because I have quite a bit, but that's okay. So here I am. Like I said, I'm following this sketch for the most part into the background, but I add quite a bit to this. I decided to take those little pictures that I've got of my daughter at field day and place them on top. So here I am. I'm just getting out all of the papers from my Secret Not Secret Kit Club, the boy collection she sent over to me a couple of months worth. While I am using that up, I may have like 1 or 2 more layouts with these 2 collections, and then I'm done for these months. I think I got this in December and January, or January, February. I'm not quite sure. So I took that one picture from Echo Park and I cut out the like dynamite, I would say, from that. I'm not sure how you'd want to say about it. And I placed that underneath the photo, and what I was going to do was use the little pieces of blue, and then I decide not to. So I leave it as this, and I decided to start playing around with it. So I start to put down this part of my little, I guess, decor, if you want to call it, and then I place this down and get that ready, the film strip. So here I am. I put down all my layers and I place that down, and then here I go in. I start to layer up this main photo. And of course, you guys know I distress everything. It's the story of my life at this point. So what I wanted to go over with you guys is that these photos, I decided to do, a multi-photo, huge multi-photo. So there's 4 pictures, or the 5th is this one, on the page itself. And then the 4 other photos, which will have a slow pace at the end along with the still shots, as well as showing what I did with these layers. Then there's another 4 photos that go, excuse me, I am so sorry, I'm yawning, that will go on the outside of the protector sheet, or the protector sheet, the protection sheet, that folder or whatever that we put our layouts in. They go on top of that, and I decide to hand stitch it closed, and you'll see why. So I'm placing that down, and then I start to work on my embellishing for this layout. And I get out everything that's in that kit. And like I said, I may have like 1 or 2 more layouts to go. I actually disassembled it and put everything away into my stash now, because there just wasn't enough paper for me to be able to do the very last layout. So this is our layout. And it says, Buggin Good Times. I thought it worked very well for this collection and this set of photos, because this photo is of my daughter's first field day for her, and she absolutely loved it. She had such a blast, and all of the little photos that I have is of her in her field day events, because one, Mom got to be able to come and 2, she was just ecstatic to go through all of this because she's never done anything like this before. So she ended up becoming a little competitive, and I'm not quite sure where she got that one from, but she is competitive. So here I go. I just placed down these little things. There's bugs on here that she hates. She saw this layout and she's like, Mom, I can't touch this. Why do you got bugs on there? And I said, so you don't touch it. I was trying to make a funny when I was telling her, and she just looked at me and said, but Mom. So I got a total kid that does not like bugs, and I put bugs on her layout. Gotta have fun times, right? So I'm going through all of the little packets that Christina sends in the kit, and I found these these stars, I should say. So I place all of these stars on the back of the flips. And the flips, like I said, goes on that outside of my protective sheet. And I'm just placing the hearts, I don't know why I keep calling these stars hearts. These stars in certain little spots. Some of them have glitter, some of them don't. And then I place some of them inside of all of those little guys. And then you'll start to see me place all them down, do my journaling, and do a couple other embellishments. I will be showing here at the end a small, slower flip through of what I did. Also, make sure you go check out, I'm so sorry. Make sure you go check out all of Laura's and Natalie's Scraptember video. We are on day 29, and as much as I love giving you content on a daily basis, I am so glad I only have one more day that I have to do a video for. I am super duper excited for that part. So, as you see me finishing up, you will see the slow flip through, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!